So here's your uppers. Right there. Thank you. And your outskirts. Awesome. Okay, you're going to be number 1.
Alright, so basically we're putting these on. We just want to make sure that the upper nice and tight around the plastic mold. And everything fills out perfectly. We get all the PU nice and everything around it too. You really can make all the decisions on how the piece fits. It's going to go in the mold exactly like the plastic. Yeah, it's out to one side. You have a lot of side too. Hold that tongue, slide it over the top of the last. So this stays nice and tight. Put that lid on, and put that in. And finally we're going to take these laces, pull them forward, get it nice and tight right in here, and tighten all this up in here, and hold this nice and tight so there's no extra space in there. Then we're just going to, after you hook them on that side, stick them up on top of the shoe so they don't get stuck in the mold. Shoe's ready to go in the machine.
This goes up in here.
Yep, right in the back of the shoe, nice and snug and tight there. Take your tongue, slide over the front. Perfect, yep. You're good to go. Now you just want to pull those laces tight and tuck them in the top of the shoe. Perfect. Hold it very good. Kind of set that toe cap like that. Very good. Very good. Now give it a good little shake. Make sure it's in there all the way.
Get it nice and flush without touching the full plate.
Okay.
So I just kind of set it in there, use the inside, and then if I have to, I'll barely touch the outsole around the corner.
Yep.
I always double check this little corner here, because it's one of the spots I like to not go down.
Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Scott from Get Off the Couch Designs. Thanks for coming in and checking out this video. It was really awesome to get over to the Keen Utility Factory and build a pair of boots. This process right here is really cool. They heat up the boots and then apply the PU.
Go ahead and take that one off there. Press the button. Load it in reverse.
So that heating process that we saw, that was to help the PU or the polyurethane bind the upper to the sole of the shoe, and that is where the shoe really comes together. And then we can go ahead and take it off the last and continue on.
Move. Slide it around.
Getting a tour of the factory and checking everything out was super cool, but this might have been the most fun part of it all. You gotta trim the excess polyurethane that squeezes out from the shoe into the mold, and these employees here make it look 100 times easier than it is. They'll fly around and do one shoe every 10 seconds. It took me probably like 2 minutes per shoe, but we had a fun time doing it.
You're gonna let me know the secret.
After you go through trimming the polyurethane, there's still some little nubs that are left over, so then you can take it over to this next station and just snip them all away.
Do this right? Take
Yeah.
this all off.
Yeah.
So we were thinking it could get monotonous doing the same job over and over all day, every day, but we did learn that the employees rotate after each shift, so they get a little taste of everything, and then that way if somebody isn't there, they got somebody to cover it too. Pretty cool.
Do a good job.
Yeah.
As you can see too, everybody was super nice, and she told me I did a great job, but then she went ahead and fixed all my mistakes. So it was an awesome experience overall.
In there.
Yeah, go ahead.
So this was cool. We actually did a box building competition to see who could build the box the fastest. No, I did not win, but you can see I did pretty well. But honestly, the whole experience with Keen overall, going to the factory and touring the offices and everything was just an amazing experience. The people over at Keen are absolutely awesome people and amazing, and the boots are just high quality.
Nice and straight. Perfect.
Alright, stand right there.
This one? This one? Yep. Peel that off. Take it away. That's a moisture wicking. And then your right foot. Grab the right shoe. Make sure I got the right one here. Okay. Face you over, left shoe, right, logo up, drop it in, and hold it back, boom, boom. And it's ready for the cart. Awesome.